Hello, my name is Akirito. This is the second part of the Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head tutorial. So if you didn't check out my first part, please do so from the card up here. Let's get started with the second part. Up to here. The first chord you need is F. Yeah? Down, down, up. Then you put your middle finger on the first three. Okay? Down, down, up. Then. So. Next one is this one. Second three. And play the top three strings. So. Then pick the first string, first zero, then goes like this. This chord is, I don't know, I'm not sure, G, blah blah blah, I forgot. But actually, it is easy. Just bar the bottom two strings of first fret and put your middle finger on the second fret of third string. It's super easy, isn't it? Like, okay, so 0, 2, 1, 1, and lift up and pick the first string. It goes like this. First 0, second 3, second first. It goes like this, then strum without anything, like 0 0 0 0, and then this chord, second 3. So it goes like this. 0 1. So, then this chord, this one, bar the second fret and put your middle finger on the bottom two strings of third fret, and put your ring finger on the fourth fret of the third string. And put your pinky on the first 5. Then take off your pinky. Then, put your middle finger, it was just barred two bottom three strings, but you just put it on the bottom string as just bottom string, and put your pinky back to the first 5, and lift up again. Then, this sound, top string, just pick top string. Then, so next one is this one. Bar the second fret and put your pinky on the 7th. It goes like this: 7, 5, 3, the top string. Then it goes like. So just pluck the middle two strings and put your fingers like this. Put your point finger on the second first, and put your middle finger on the third 2, and put your ring finger on the second 3. So first one, pluck, and put your lift your ring finger. And pick the first string. Then put your ring finger back. Okay? Then so this one, B flat. I explained it in the last video, so you should know, and 2 fret slide up. Then go back to the first part. You should be learned this part. So this is quite the ending, you know. The ending is like, it's almost like the introduction. So F and D minor and G minor 7, you know, the shape, 0, 2, 3, 1, and 3, 0, 0, 3, and F, and put your link finger on the first 3, and this shape, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1. And lift, you know, lift the first string. Dun, dun, dun. Next chord is C. F, 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 F. Higher F. Bar the 5th fret and put your pinky on the 8th, first 8. So that was the end of my tutorial, and if you like it, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I mean, really, please do subscribe, because I want to get 1,000 subscribers by February. Well, actually February 20th, because that's when the monetization kind of things change. So anyway, if you want to support me, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you have any kind of request for tutorials, I might do it, so you can just write it down in the comment section down below, then I might challenge it. And yeah, basically you can learn more songs from me. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.